This will be a short tutorial on how to post to your Instagram account directly from TDO. If you actually go to your Instagram account, you can't do it directly from there. What you need to do is set up an Instagram creator account. And if you go to the Instagram website, you get instructions for that. And once you set up a business or professional account with Creator Studio, you go to the Creator Studio page. It will put you right on your Instagram page, and you simply click Create a Post, and you choose the Instagram feed. There is a place for you to write your notes that you want to appear in your Instagram post, and here is where you add the content. So let's go back to TDO, and I'll go to the lecture that we were going to do at the AAE on biofilm and gentle wave. Let's say I want to show some pictures from the biofilm in your water line. So I'll put them in the right order. Let's say I'll do this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So to post these on Instagram, you go up to the collage, select collage, and when you're in the collage, make sure in the newest version of TDO, you have the size defaults. And since Instagram uses a square size, pick the 1080 by 1080 aspect ratio. And then you just arrange them as you want. For example, to start with, let's do 4 per page initially. And then we'll go to the second page, and let's say I want each one to be a single page after that. So that creates 4 pages. And let's actually left click and use the scroll button and then the shift key to center this the way we want. Let's fill up the space. Go to the second page, fill up the space. Third page, and let's really blow it up, and then move it around using the shift key. So now you have pretty much what you want, and in TDO you'll want to make a copy for it. I'm just going to call this waterline biofilm, and then publish it. When you publish it in TDO, you'll see a field will come up that says copy file path, and all you do is click that. Click copy file path, and then you can exit, and then you go to the create your post, add content from file upload, and it comes up with these pictures. All you have to do really is do a Control V, and that pastes them right into that. And then they come right into Instagram. And if you want to write something that appears on the Instagram, and then you simply publish it. And that is now published on Instagram, and here it is. If you go to your Instagram account, refresh, and here it is on your Instagram. So it's very simple. You just put your images in the collage, arrange them the way you want, and then publish and copy file path and place it right into Instagram.